Good day viewers and welcome to Advanced Tutorial Class Mathematics. If you are new to the YouTube channel, please do well to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you get videos like this once we drop them. Today we have a problem on the board, and the problem says find the values of alpha for which the equation 3a plus 1 into x squared plus a plus 2 into x plus 1 equals to 0 has equal roots. Let me read the question again. Find the values of alpha for which the equation 3a plus 1 times x squared plus a plus 2 times x plus 1 equals to 0 has equal roots. So for me to solve this problem, I need to employ what we call discriminants of roots. Discriminants of roots. Now, what's the discriminant of roots? It's a value that gives more information about a polynomial. And discriminant of roots is equals to b squared minus 4ac. And this applies once the equation has equal roots, like the one we have on the board. You can see that this equation has equal roots. So discriminant of roots is going to be d equals to b squared minus 4ac equals to 0. So this is what we are going to be using to solve this problem. Discriminant of roots equals to b squared minus 4ac equal to 0. Now, we know that the standard form of a quadratic equation is given as what? Ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0, right? And from this standard form of a quadratic equation, you can agree with me that x squared here has a coefficient of a, bx here has a coefficient of b, and c, which is a constant. So if I'm to relate the standard form of a quadratic equation to the problem which we are given to solve, you will discover that what? The coefficient of x squared in the equation we are given to solve is what? A here. So a is equals to 3a plus 1. Isn't it? Now for x, the corresponding coefficient of x in the given problem is what? A plus 2. So b, which is b here, is equals to a plus 2. While we have our constants to be 1. So therefore, having gotten to this point of extraction of the values, I'm going to plug it into what? I'm going to plug all of them into the word discriminant of roots to prove, to show for the value of alpha for which the equation has equal roots. So therefore, let's impute the values into the given equation, the discriminants for roots. So this is b squared, now this is b, so this is a plus 2 all squared minus 4 into a is 3, this is 3a plus 1, which is representing a, this is a, then my c is what? 1 times 1 equals to 0. So from here, let me expand a plus 2 all squared. So this is a plus 2 into a plus 2 minus, now 4 times 3a is what? 12a minus 4 times 1 is what? Minus 4. All multiplied by what? By 1 equals to 0. Now, a times a is what? A squared. A times 2 is what? Plus 2a. 2 times a is plus 2a. While 2 times 2 is plus 4. Sorry, let me take out this bracket. It's not supposed to be there. So this is minus 12a minus 4. Definitely times 1 will still give you the same thing. So this is equal to 0. By further simplification, I have it that this is a squared plus 2a plus 2a is 4a plus 4 minus 12a minus 4 equal to 0. If I'm to simplify further, this is a squared. Now I'll collect like terms because I have 4a and minus 12a. So I'll bring them together. So this is plus 4a minus 12a. Then I have 4 and 4 here. So this is plus 4 minus 4 all equal to 0. If I'm to solve this further, this is a squared. Now, 4a minus 12a. What is it going to give us? is going to give us what? 8, right? So this is, no, not 8, minus 8a, because this is 4 minus 12, so it's minus 8a. Plus, now, this is 4 minus 4 is 0, so that's out. So this is going to be plus 0 equals to 0. So this is a square minus 8a equals to 0. Okay, now, this is where we are now. Let's factorize this. If you look at a square and minus 8a, what's common to it is a, right? So I can bring out a. So this is going to be a minus 8 equals to 0. From here, there's nothing to solve again. So we have it that a is equals to 0, or a minus 8 is equal to 0. So a, from this end, I have it that a is equals to 0 plus 8, which is 8. So therefore, a is equals to 0 or 8. So this is the point where we have find the values of alpha. Okay, so the values of alpha for which the equation 3a plus 1 into x squared plus a plus 2 into x plus 1 equals 0 has equal roots is a equals to 0 or 8. So this is the what? End of the what? Question. If you have any question, you can what? Comment down. Well, I'll be delighted to respond to you. So please do like and subscribe. Have a nice time. Bye-bye.